welcome to a Sunday vlog. Today we're gonna be doing something a bit different. I'm gonna be actually showing you guys how I clean my condo because as you can see behind me, it's a bit of a mess and there's a lot to do. And I like to do all my chores on Saturday like most of you guys. So I've been playing nothing but the baddest, the illest Sudanese music. And I literally thought to myself, okay, like you have to get up and start vlogging. So I'm here. And I like to start off with the kitchen first, and then I work my way into like the living room, and then I do the bedrooms, and then the last thing I do is like the bathrooms. A few of you guys actually suggested to do a video like this, so I figured I'm like, it's very fitting for the vlog, so why not? I went to Costco yesterday, and these are the cleaning supplies. Whew, that is heavy. 1 second. So these are the cleaning products that I use for the bathroom. I think it does a really good job at like, you know, deep cleaning the bathroom, making it all nice and shiny, because I go in on the tiles as well, and I find that the tiles are really annoying to clean. So I like to spray that on, leave it in for a few, like just like a couple minutes, and then I like to scrub it. So that's what I like to use. Anyways, so let's get started on cleaning my place because it's a mess. I'm gonna play some music in the background and you guys are just gonna chill and vibe with me today because that's what we do on a Sunday. We just vibe, we just chill. So I'm wearing SPF right now because the sun is out finally, and I have all the windows up. And it's nice and bright in my home. It feels so nice and warm. So this is just a reminder to wear SPF at home, even if you're not going outside. So let's get started. Start vacuuming. I'm gonna be listening to a podcast while I vacuum, but I get a lot of questions on what vacuum I use, so I'll show you guys. So this is the Dyson, not sure what model it is, but oh wait, it says the Dyson V7. So I'll link this in case you guys are interested in the description box below. I think it's okay. I feel like the battery could last a little longer for me, but this is like the first vacuum I've owned that's wireless, so maybe that's like a thing, I'm not sure, but I like it. It does the job for me. So I'm just going to be vacuuming up my floor, and then I'm going to mop, and then we're going to move on to the next room. So I start off with like the kitchen, the living room, and then I just make my way into the bedrooms and then the bathroom. So I try to like gradually just go this way, and then when I get to the last bathroom, I take a shower, and then I come out to like a clean home. I hope that makes sense, because that's just how it works for me. I don't know, but anyway, I'm gonna get started on vacuuming, and I'm gonna listen to my podcast. If you guys are interested, I'm listening to The Read. I really like them. I've been listening to them for years now, and they're just really entertaining, so I'm gonna be listening to them. Okay, so if it's like a deep clean kind of day, I like to take a dry Swiffer and make sure like I pick up everything that the vacuum didn't pick up on the floor. So I like to just do a light kind of run through before I do the Swiffer wet jet. So before I start mopping the floor, I like to do this. So I'm gonna quickly do that. Yeah, see, it picked up on a little bit, because I find that the vacuum is great, but sometimes it doesn't pick up on dust. You know what I mean? So. Okay, so not that bad. I guess the vacuum picked up on a lot, but it's good to have peace of mind and an extra clean kitchen. finally made it to the bathroom. So the bathroom is interesting. It's the one chore I avoid, but it's like, it's between the bathroom and the kitchen that I love seeing clean, so. But this is typically what a week of like my bathroom looks like. I'm really exposing myself in this video, but I have all of my cleaning supplies. So I'm gonna tidy up real quick, spray this whole thing down, and then we're gonna scrub it up, and then get ourselves in the tub and take a shower. Like, I'm so excited. Quite amazing. I finished cleaning the second bathroom, and then I took a shower like I mentioned earlier. So I'm feeling quite fresh, quite clean, and I'm starving right now. So I'm gonna put a salad together and have that for lunch or early dinner, because it's around like 4, but anyway, I'm gonna eat that. I'm gonna chill out for a little bit. I wanted to go outside and take pictures, or even like take pictures using natural light, but the sun's already going down. But I was happy that the sun was even out today to begin with, because it's been so gloomy and depressing in Toronto. So anyways, I'm going to make myself some food. A lot of you guys asked on Thursday's post, you guys asked for like my makeup routine for that video, so I'm gonna be filming my everyday makeup look for you guys later on today. I just need to get some food in my belly, and then we're gonna get to filming. So I'm going to wrap up the vlog because I still have 2 more videos to record for this week. So if you guys aren't subscribed to my channel, make sure you're subscribed. Give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know if you guys want a shout out on my next video. All you have to do is click that notification bell. Let me know that you're a new subscriber in the comment section down below, and I'll give you a shout out on my next video. I love each and every one of you. Wish me luck, and I'll catch you guys on Tuesday's upload. Bye.